Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a watermark color in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select your Organize option and select Watermark option. Now select your Add Watermark and Watermark Type option. Select your text. Now type your watermark name. I'll type color and this is font option. Click here and here you will find this watermark color. I'll change the watermark color, this gray 40%. Now select OK. As is watermark color now change and transparency will make it 80%. And this is rotation is scale watermark size. And this is the watermark position. And now you can apply current page or all pages. Select OK. And see this watermark color now says and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.